This is another really important issue that I see a lot of trainers making, which is they try to fit certain people to exercises. Our principle here is fit exercises to individuals, don't fit individuals to exercises. Now, this goes back to why I don't have squat on my main movements. Because when we say that, we mean, okay, here's how you squat, which is that very Olympic barbell style squat. And that way, everybody should be able to squat this way. And therefore, we try to fit everybody to squat that way. But it's not realistic to think everybody can squat that way based off of different limb lengths, hip structures. Some people have big bellies on them, other people don't. So their center of mass is all changed. There's a gazillion reasons why it's unrealistic to think that someone who's built like an NFL linebacker should be able to squat like someone who's built like a NBA player. Right? That's just ignorant of basic physics and mechanics, right? Therefore, not every exercise is built for everybody. Everybody can do a hip hinge, everybody can do a knee bend, but not everybody can do a barbell deadlift with the arbitrary height of the 45-pound plates on the floor, right? Or not everybody can do a squat like a baby, or a squat like an Olympic lifter. That's the difference. And by the way, nobody needs to do either one of those. They're just one version of a knee bend, squat, one version of a hip hinge. There's a lot of different versions of those.